Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error on iPhone and iPad verification required. So how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your setting, and from here you tap on Apple ID banner name and tap on media and purchase, then tap on view account. Wait for some seconds, then tap on country or region, tap on this, then tap on again change country or region, select your country, any one country. I am selecting United States, tap on this, terms and condition, read carefully and tap on agree, then tap on again agree. You guys can see payment method. What you need to do it, select none, and after that put your form, enter your street name and enter your city and select your state and enter your zip code, then enter your phone number and tap on next. And after that, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.